Yo, what is up guys? In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create a Thanksgiving coloring book. And you guys must be asking like, why are we making a Thanksgiving coloring book? Isn't it the date so far away, like in November 23rd? But it doesn't matter, we are going to make every holiday there is, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Halloween, and many much more. So in today's video, we are going to focus on making the Thanksgiving coloring book. And if you guys like this video, it helps you guys, please make sure to smash that like button. I really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, the first part, we are going to generate our image using Midjourney AI. And the first thing you have to do is just open up your Discord and search for Midjourney. And then first thing you have to do, the most important part, is your settings. If you guys don't know how to pick your settings, you guys can just refer to my settings here. So usually I just use the current model, the latest model, that would be model 5.2 version, and then make sure to turn on the raw mode, and also the style will be low. Basically, you guys can just follow all the settings that I have set. Before we are going to proceed with generating our image, there's one thing that I would like to share with you guys, which is how to get an idea what type of image that you want to create. First things first, what you have to do is just open up enchantedlearning.com. Also, I will put the link in the description. This is used if you want to search something related to a topic. As example here, I'm going to go to the search box right here, and then I'm going to type in a Thanksgiving. After that, you guys just scroll down, and then you guys gonna find Thanksgiving vocabulary word list. And then tada, and there's so many words that you can use, which is this is something that related to Thanksgiving. So I'm just sharing with you guys, if you guys want more ideas, something related to Thanksgiving, that you guys can make content out of it. Okay guys, we are back in creating our prompt for our AI generated image. And first thing you got to do is just to type in imagine and then put in your prompt. For me, usually I will put coloring book pages in the front. And then I'm going to put a Thanksgiving turkey as our subject, and then just put a no shade so that there will be no shade in it, and then black and white, low details, and last but not least, the important part, which is I put 2 dashes, and then I'm going to put AR as aspect ratio 2:3 is the size of the image that I want. And here we are, the image that have been generated by Midjourney. We got 4 pictures here, and I think the first picture is the most beautiful for me. So I'm just going to download the first picture first. We're going to press the web button and then just download the picture. After we have downloaded all the image in Midjourney, now it is time to create our book interior in Canva. Okay, just open up Canva and then just go to create a design in the top right corner, and then put in your size, your book size. For me, I usually use 8.5 times 11 inches. If you guys have your own size, you can put in your own size, okay? And then just create a new design. So Canva has given us a blank page for us to edit to create our own interior book. Now what you have to do, usually a coloring book pages in Amazon, if you notice, the first page will usually be the book title and an image of the book. So we don't have to put our interior first in the first page. We need to edit by ourselves using the elements that Canva has given to us. So what you have to do is just open up the Canva and go to the left side here and find the elements, and just type on the search box the theme of your book. And for this book, that would be a Thanksgiving. So I'm going to put a Thanksgiving turkey or something like that. And then just use the image that they have given to us for our first book page. This is an example that I have made using all of the resource that Canva have given to us. The font, the chicken, everything that have been used here is all Canva's source material. Okay, so now our first page has been completed. So we are going to move on with our first interior book pages, which is the image that we have created in Midjourney. And we are going to proceed. Just press add pages on the top right corner there, and then just make sure the second page to be blank, okay? Because Amazon books are known for their bleed through pages, so make sure your next page of every image to be blank. Now what you have to do is just go to the left side of the Canva and then just upload all of your interior page that you have download in Midjourney, and just click on the image, and the image will pop up on our page, and just resize it accordingly, not too big and not too small. Just make sure that it won't reach the corner pages so that it won't bleed through the pages. So just size accordingly to your needs of your books. And after you have done resize your image, and let's say you want to create the next page of your book, just press add page on the top right corner, and then just press it again, and then just put your another image until you have completed your book around 100 pages or 90 pages, something like that. And basically that's it, and your book interior has been completed. Now to download the file, all you have to do is just go to the top right corner here and just press share, download, and choose your format, which for me, in my opinion, the best format would be PDF print. And then just press download, and tada, you have downloaded your book interior. As simple as that. Okay guys, we are in the second part of our video, which is we are going to make our book cover. First of all, just open up Google and just type in KDP cover calculator. Okay, first of all, just key in your details here. The binding type, paperback. The interior type would be black and white. The paper type would be white paper. The page turn direction will be left to right, and the measurement size, I usually use inches. You guys can use millimeter, it depends on you guys. The interior trim size also depend on what type of book size that you guys are making. For me, and usually the common coloring book use 8.5 times 11 inches. For my books, I usually have at least 100 pages, so I'm just going to set 100 pages. What you guys are seeing is the size of our book estimation here on the right bottom corner here. So what's left to do is just to press a download template. Okay, this is the template that we have just downloaded, and this is important because we are going to use this template in Canva later on, and the most important part is the overall dimension. We have to use that later. So we are going to jump right back to generating our AI image. So just type in imagine and then put in your prompt. If you guys are asking me what prompt am I using to create my book cover, first things first, I'm just going to put the first part, which is kids illustration, and then the subject would be Thanksgiving turkey, and then the color I would put a vivid color. You guys can also use vibrant color, which is suitable best for you guys, it depends. And then I'm going to put a low detail, also book cover, the last part, and also last and not least would be the size. Make sure to put 2 dashes, AR as aspect ratio, and then the best suitable book cover that I think would be a 9 by 11. So what do you guys think? It looks gorgeous, right? And I'm going to choose the number 1 image here, and then what's left is just to download it as usual. After you guys have downloaded the image, there's one thing that you have to keep in mind is that Midjourney create not that high resolution image, so we need to upscale our image using upscale media. Alright, just open up the website and then just upload the image that you just have downloaded. After you guys have uploaded into upscale media, what's left to do is just your upscale. You can choose from ×2 or ×4, but for me, I usually use ×2. And then enhanced quality I will turn on, and that's it. All you have to do is just download the image. And now it is time to create our book cover using Canva. Okay, what's left to do is just to press create a design and then put your custom size, and now it's time to refer your template. As for me, my template, you will written here overall dimension. For me, it would be 17.475 inches times 11.25 inches overall dimension. So I'm just going to put the number onto the custom in Canva. That's it. All you have to do is just do that. And now Canva has given us a blank page for us to design. So you guys have to upload the template. Just upload it to Canva and then just put it on the page and resize it to the maximum size. After that, you guys have to upload the image that you have generated and then just upload it and put it in the front cover. And for me, the front cover would be the image and the back cover would be a blank page. After you guys have adjust your cover to the perfect position, and now it's time to add your text. But one thing to keep note is before you're adding your text, you're just gonna set your image to a little bit transparent so you guys can see the template behind the image, and just make sure the text that you make is not touching the pink border of the template. Anything that touch the pink border will bleed out according to Amazon, so just make sure when you put out text, don't touch the corner of the books. So this is how it looks like after I put my text. Thanksgiving coloring book is basically simple. If you guys want it to be more detailed, more beautiful, you can adjust it by yourself. So yeah, I've completed my book. Now onto the back part of the book. I usually put some interior pages so they can expect what do they get before buying the book. So I'm just going to put 3 interior pages behind my book. Oh, and one more thing that I forgot to tell you guys is that make sure any editing that you make behind the book cover, just don't interfere with the barcode in the behind of the book, okay, because Amazon will print a barcode there. So that's basically everything, and just what's left is just to press share, download, choose PDF print, and then download, and we have completed download the interior and exterior of the book, and basically yeah, we're done. Congratulations guys, you have completed your own theme coloring a book by yourself, and I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please do make sure to smash that like button, and if you want to see more, please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, see ya.